Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you will be fine and you are enjoying this online session. Firstly, I welcome the students of 9th class. It's a time to learn mathematics. I think you are waiting for your next lecture. So let's start our today's unit, which is matrices and determinants. In the previous lectures, we have discussed a matrix is a formation of a collection of real numbers which are enclosed in brackets. We also have discussed the method to find the determinants of a matrix. Today we will learn how to find the inverse of a matrix. Today we have to solve exercise 1. In the first question, we have to select the correct answer in each of the following. Some options are given. We have to choose the correct option. First one is the order of matrix with the elements 2, 1 is dash. You can see that the given matrix is a row matrix because in this matrix here is only one row and two columns. So the order of this matrix is 1 by 2. That's why we will circle option B. Next is the matrix with the elements under root 2, 0, 0 and under root 2 is called dash matrix. 0 unit, scalar or singular. You can observe that in this matrix the elements at the diagonal places are same. That's why this is a scalar matrix. So we circle the option C. Next is which is order of square matrix. Square matrix का order कौन सा है? We know that in a square matrix number of rows and number of columns are equal. That's why 2 by 2 is the correct option, because if here are 2 rows and 2 columns in a matrix, then we can say this is a square matrix. Next is order of transpose of the given matrix is dash. This matrix has 3 rows and 2 columns. When we take the transpose of this matrix, its rows and columns are interchanged. So its order will become 3 by 2. That's why we will choose option A. Next is adjoint of the given matrix with the elements 1 to 0 and minus 1 is dash. We know that for finding the adjoint of a matrix, we will interchange the elements at the diagonal places and the signs of all other elements are changed. So we get the adjoint of given matrix with the elements minus 1, minus 2, 0 and 1. So we choose option A, which is a correct option. Next is product of these two matrices is dash. For finding the product, we will multiply the first row of first matrix with the first column of second matrix, which will give us 2x minus y. So we choose option C. Next is if the determinant of this matrix equal to 0, then x equal to dash. अगर हम इसका डिटर्मिनेंट फाइंड करें तो x की वैल्यू हमारे पास क्या आएगी? इसके लिए हम डायगोनल प्लेसेस पे जो एलिमेंट्स होने पहले मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, फिर माइनस साइन अप्लाई करने के बाद अदर टू एलिमेंट्स का प्रोडक्ट फाइंड करेंगे और इसको सॉल्व करने से हमें x की वैल्यू मिलेगी 9. सो ऑप्शन ए इज़ द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. नेक्स्ट इज इफ x प्लस matrix with the elements minus 1, minus 2, 0, minus 1 equal to 1, 0, 0, 1, then x equal to dash. अगर ये दोनों sides equal हों तो फिर x की वैल्यू क्या होगी? For this we will move this matrix to the other side and then both these matrices are subtracted. In this way we get the value of x as 2, 2, 0 and 2. So option D is the correct option. In this question we have to complete the following statements or we have to fill the blanks. First one is the matrix with the elements 0, 0, 0 and 0 is called dash matrix. We know that if all the elements in a matrix are 0, then this is called a zero matrix or null matrix. Second is a matrix with the elements 1, 0, 0 and 1 is called dash matrix. If the diagonal places in a matrix are 1 and all other elements are zeros, then we can say that this is a unit matrix or identity matrix. In the third blank we have to find the additive inverse of the matrix with the elements 1, -2, 0 and -1. किसी भी मैट्रिक्स का एडिटिव इन्वर्स फाइंड करने के लिए हमने एक ऐसा मैट्रिक्स लेना होता है कि अगर हम उस मैट्रिक्स को गिवन मैट्रिक्स में ऐड करें देन इट गिव्स अस अ ज़ीरो मैट्रिक्स। तो हम एक ऐसा मैट्रिक्स लेंगे कि अगर हम उसे इस मैट्रिक्स में ऐड करें तो वो हमें ज़ीरो मैट्रिक्स दे। फॉर दिस वी हैव टू टेक द मैट्रिक्स अपोजिट टू दीज एलिमेंट्स विच आर -1, 2, 0 and 1। अगर हम इन दोनों मैट्रिसेस को ऐड करें देन इट विल गिव अस ज़ीरो मैट्रिक्स। इन मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन इन जनरल ए बी डैश बी ए, मैट्रिक्स की मल्टीप्लिकेशन में ए बी इज़ नॉट इक्वल टू बी ए। मैट्रिक्स ए प्लस बी कैन बी फाउंड इफ़ ऑर्डर ऑफ ए एंड बी इज़ डैश। हम कोई भी दो मैट्रिसेस को तब ऐड कर सकते हैं अगर उनके ऑर्डर सेम हो। A matrix is called dash matrix if number of rows and columns are equal। अगर किसी भी मैट्रिक्स में नंबर ऑफ रोज और नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स इक्वल हों या उनका ऑर्डर सेम हो then we can say this is a square matrix। Here we have to solve question number 3 in which two matrices are given। If the elements of the first matrix are a plus 3, 4, 6 and b minus 1 and second matrix has the elements -3, 4, 6 and 2. If both these matrices are equal then we have to find the value of A and B. First of all we will write both these matrices with the equal sign. Now we have to compare the corresponding elements of both these matrices. By comparing the first element of both these matrices we can write a plus 3 equal to -3 which is our first equation, and by comparing the second element of both these matrices we can write 4 equal to 4 which is our second equation. Similarly by comparing the third element we can write 6 equal to 6 which is our third equation, and when we compare the last element of both these matrices we can write b minus 1 equal to 2 which is our fourth equation. Now we will solve equation number 1 for finding the value of a. So we write a plus 3 equal to -3. Here we will move the term 3 to the other side which will give us a equal to -3 minus 3 which is equal to -6. So the value of a is -6. Now we will solve equation number 4 for finding the value of b. So we write equation number 4 which is b minus 1 equal to 2. By moving the term 1 to the other side we can write b equal to 2 plus 1 which is equal to 3. So the value of b is 3. Next is question number 5. In this question we have to find the value of x if the first matrix with the elements 2, 1, 3 and -3 plus x is equal to second matrix with the elements 4, -2, -1 and -2. First of all we will move the first matrix to the other side, and by moving this matrix to the other side it will become negative. So we write x equal to elements of the matrix on the right hand side which are 4, -2, -1 and -2. Then we will subtract the first matrix with the elements 2, 1, 3 and -3. Here the corresponding elements are subtracted which will give us the next matrix with the terms 4, -2, -2, -1, -1, -3 and -2, -3. By solving these terms we can write the matrix with the elements 2, -3, -4 and 1 which is the required value of x. Now you have to solve this complete exercise and you have to give your best. Thanks to all of you for your cooperation. Allah Hafiz.